Hello YouTube viewers. Today I'm going to be going over the 5 things to get, most important things to get after you purchase your brand new mirrorless camera. Assuming you already have a lens, because the lens and the camera go together as one and are important. Now when you get your camera, normally with a kit lens, which is a good option, especially for a brand new user, it comes with a battery, a cable, or a outlet to charge your battery. So camera, battery, lens, okay? Great, you have that. Now, starting with the 5. Number 1, in order of importance, you want to have a memory card. Now, make sure you check your camera and review the documents to see what format your camera takes. Some take CF Express B, some take CF Express A, some take SD cards. Now, the most common is SD cards. So, here, ay caramba, manual focus. This is a SanDisk 64 megabyte UHS-II. Okay? Now, there's 2 different types. There's UHS-II and UHS-I. This is UHS-I. The difference is the speed that they read and write. Find the focus switch there. So the speed that they read and write, as you saw, the number 2 on here is 300 megabytes. Now make sure your camera can actually record at that speed. For the A7 IV series, which is what I'm recording on now, it can record in UHS-II. So it would behoove you to get a UHS-II card. Now you don't need it, but you don't need that speed. You do need the SD card. If you want to get more space, you could get the UHS-I and get a bigger size. I showed you 64 and 128. Now if you're shooting video and items that have, video has large files size, so you'd want to get at least 128 gigabyte SD card. And to shoot 4K, you don't actually need UHS-II. You can be fine with UHS-I. If we were to get like an A1, for example, UHS-II would be necessary to shoot 8K. And also they have the CF Express Type A. Anyway, the point is, the number 1 thing to get after you buy your mirrorless camera is a memory card. Number 2 item to get after you get your mirrorless camera is a battery. Number 1, SD card. Number 2, battery. Okay? You're gonna want an extra battery because you're gonna, eventually run out of battery when you are recording or taking photos. And you don't wanna be taking a photo and then run out of battery, or a video and run out of battery, and then you have to wait 1-2 hours for the battery to fully recharge. No, you want to keep on shooting, and that's why you get an extra battery, because then once your battery dies, you can just swap it with the fully charged battery and then charge the dead battery while the fully charged battery is now in your camera. So it's a continuous flow. All right. Okay, now if these are all must-have accessories, then I would say number 3 is a tripod. There are 2 types of tripods I will be discussing today. Number 1 is a tabletop tripod, and number 2 is an original tripod. So I'm using a table tripod right now. Right now I'm using a tabletop tripod from Sirui, S-I-R-U-I. I love Sirui. Sirui is a great brand. However, I'm using that one so I can show you the one that I like even more, which I just got, and is expensive. It's about $150 from when I bought it. But it is great for vlogging. Check it out. This is it, okay? This is the tripod from PGYTECH. Here's the ball head, okay? And this plate is what you connect to this plate right here is what you connect to the camera. And the camera goes on top of here. And then it just is, you can lock it like that. Ooh, see this little thing here, it locks it, unlock, and then it goes back and forth, and then you lock it. Okay, let me fix this manual focus here. Okay, so, okay, so this little lock here, you could lock it, you could unlock it, and then I unlock it, and this thing moves. There's also this button here that you can pull down, and then you could take it off, take it on. You can use this to lock the swivel here. There's just all these functions that are so cool. This big button right here, moves the thing right here. You see this? Big button. Okay. There's a small button down here. Small button right here. Small button opens the tripod, so you can have different formats. And then you can open it, put it down. Okay. And then there's also it's called the Mantis, because you can get this little thing here and then have it hang like a mantis. You know what I mean? Alright. So this is the favorite tripod I have. It also has a cold shoe mount right here. You can connect like a microphone. And so, let's see here. So that is number 3. Now, if you're more of a photographer, less a videographer, and you're not going to be vlogging with your hand, you know, and you're going to be shooting more outdoors instead of indoors. Indoors, there's a bunch of tables, and it's called the Tabletop Tripod, so you put it on top of a table and record, like I am so now. If you're going to be shooting at the stars, I recommend, or shooting outside, nature, portraits, anything, Manfrotto Befree. Okay, this one's a carbon fiber, right? Now there's different types of heads you can get. If you're going to be shooting video, I recommend a video fluid head. This one is a video fluid head. See, it has this mount and this handle extension that you could do different kinds of pans and tilts. All right. And for this, I forgot how much it costs, but you could always get different deals. Carbon fiber is good if you want it to be light, but they're going to be more expensive. That's the only thing. If you're going to be shooting photo, then you don't need a video fluid head, but it doesn't hurt if you want to do both. That is number 3. Now, we've got memory card, we got battery, we got tripod, all very important. And if you're a photographer, you could pretty much stop there. Now, if you want to do video, the most important, this might be even more important than the others, but not really. No, not really, or else I would have made it first. But this is very important, as what goes with visual. As you can hear me now, I'm wearing a microphone, and it's the DJI Microphone. Now, I think this is the best one you can get, because it comes with 2 receivers. So there's another one in here. This is number 2. Number 1 I'm wearing, and then I have the receiver, you know, jigger on top of my camera, so it's doing wireless from me to the top. Wow, how was it connected to the camera? I just realized that. You know what? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. So I realized that I haven't been recording using the DJI mic. I never pressed the record button. It was green. Now it's red with a blinking green. And I just wanted to record this little bit extra so you can kind of notice the difference in audio quality. The audio from the main video is actually pretty good if you listen to it, and it's strictly from the camera. No microphone. It's the internal microphone and it sounds pretty good actually. This probably sounds better though. Probably more bass or something. Not sure. We're finding out now together. compare. If it's recording on its own as well, so there's a backup. Anyway, I recommend this for super clear audio. But if you want to do more run and gun shotgun type stuff, I mean, I'm not talking about, you know, the weapon of a shotgun. I'm talking about the type of microphone. This is a shotgun microphone. This is the Rode Video Microphone Pro Plus, or Rode Video Microphone Plus. Either way, it's a video microphone and there's a plus in it. You want to get the plus one, okay? Because that one comes with a rechargeable battery. And I bought this little furry thing here. Hi, beautiful, nice, so soft, good girl. Is called the dead cat. And I didn't murder it. That's just what it's called. And I didn't murder a cat to do this, I swear. It's not even real. Though if it was. No. And you put this on top of the camera and you get audio that way. It's a little easier. So yeah, I recommend the Rode Video Microphone Plus or the DJI Microphone, okay? Lastly, if you start getting into all these accessories like a microphone and a tripod, you might start getting a camera cage to rig out for video. You're gonna want to be able to screw and unscrew things, and my most favorite and highly recommended tool for your camera is going to be by SmallRig. I've used this for so many years. This one right here, this SmallRig multi-tool is my favorite. Now let me open all the little options here so you can kind of get a better look. But this right here I've used for many years and has never let me down. It's my second one I purchased because I lost my first one. Actually, I got my camera stolen with all my gear and it was in there, so I had to get another one. Don't go to San Francisco. They not, well, you know, not to stereotype or but it's pretty dangerous, I would say. I've seen a lot of videos, and by a lot I mean one, as well as my own experience of camera gear being stolen, even by gunpoint. But me personally, it was break and entering into my car. I don't know how they knew. They probably followed me for my shoot. Anyway, they knew because everything was covered, everything was hidden. Yeah, butt hurt a little bit, but we recover, and now we're doing it again. So to review, the 5 things you want to get when you get your brand new camera. Of course, you need the lens. Number 1 is a memory card. SD card, CF Express, Type A, Type B. Check your camera manufacturer manual for specifics. And number 2, a battery. This is the NP-FZ100. Goes good with Sony A1, Sony A7, Sony A7R, Sony A9. But of course, check your camera manufacturer manual if you have a different camera for the specific battery you want to get, but you want to get an extra battery. That's the point. Number 3 is a tripod. Now this, the PGYTECH Mantis, right here. I recommend this one for a tabletop tripod. For a more traditional style tripod, I recommend the Manfrotto Befree. This one's carbon fiber, but if you're starting to get into heavier camera gear, big lenses, you might want to get something stronger than carbon fiber. Aluminum, maybe. This is a video fluid head. It comes with this handle, and that's if you want to shoot video. If not, you don't need the handle. It comes with different ones. I'll leave links in the description so you can kind of see what you want and what I use. Number 4 is a microphone. Right now I'm using the the DJI microphone, but you can also get a shotgun microphone if you don't want to do all the wiring and stuff. This is a good shotgun microphone by Rode Video Microphone Plus. There's a plus in the description. This is good to just put on top of your camera and vlog, you know. And last, number 5, but not least, is the SmallRig multi-tool. Right here. This SmallRig multi-tool has saved my butt in many, many occasions. I recommend this highly. And now if you have any recommendations. Oh, hold on. Is that 5? That's 4. OMG, that's 4. Number 5 is a lens cleaner. This is a lens pen, okay? It cleans the lenses. The way it works is there's this little brush here, and if there's dust spectacles on the lens, you just clean it like so, okay? And I'll take the dust out. Now, if there's smudges, which is more common for me, it uses this. It's kind of got like some charcoal residue, I believe. I'm not sure. And this, you just put on the lens and it cleans the smudges right off. How beautiful. So pretty. Number 5. So to recap, memory card, battery, tripod, microphone, SmallRig tool, and the lens pen. That's 6, isn't it? Well, that just ruined the whole video. 6 things to get after you buy a mirrorless camera. Can I keep going? Sure. Will I keep going? No. But what you can do is in the comments below is recommend your top 5 things, or 6 or 7, whatever you want, in the comments, and let the other viewers know what you think is best. Let them know the brands, let them know the accessory, whatever you want. It's your world, it's your life. We live in it together. Let's make it great. Let me know what you want in my next video. If you want a next video, let me know what your thoughts are. Don't let me know what your thoughts are. See my finger, it's moving. Whatever. I'm tired of talking. This has been your boy, Ray, making another video. I hope you liked it. I'm out. Peace. Peace, peace. Peace, 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 peace.